Hi, today I'd like to introduce you our product, the Emergency Flooding and Fire Bag, and we brand our product with the name Savior, which means your document and time saver when emergency occurs. Combining the analysis we did in demographic, economics, and natural fields, our target consumer group is families. We carefully divide our segment into two groups. The first one is classified according to the residence location, focusing on those risky areas such as seaside, mountain areas, and old houses. The second subgroup is family men with children or parents living together. Family responsibility makes men cautious and willing to pay for such insurance too. Moving on to our marketing mix, it includes 4Ps, which is product, price, place, and promotion. For product, our business has a simple structure. The basic contents inside a bag includes food bars, water, first aid kits, important documents, and a flashlight or radio. Many of these can be prepared by customers themselves, so we provide two purchasing options that customers can purchase our prepackaged bag or choose the contents they want for a DIY. In this step, we will provide online guide service to help customers find the suitable one. The prepackaged bag will also be categorized as carry-on, standard, or deluxe, and has choices of the personal size or the family size. In addition, we have good post-sale service for all customers. Calls or mails will be made periodically to remind purchasers renew the water or food in their bags. However, we face competition from other companies producing similar products, so we need to stand out by branding and promotion. We differentiate our product by our best service systems and special DIY option. Besides, we want to position our brand as a safe and reliable emergency helper. As for our price, our product is aimed at common customers and adopts a way of small profits but quick turnover that almost everyone can afford it. We search each item that should be included in a one-person emergency kit on Amazon and get a total marketing price that is just about 70 Australian dollar. This price can even be lower if we buy on a large quantity from our corporate suppliers. And we encourage companies to purchase for their employees in batches and offer a discount accordingly. When it comes to our promotion mix, our main approaches would be advertising and public relations. As the customers may not be that familiar with us, we need to raise the awareness of the public about their need for our product and leave them a strong impression of our brand. For advertising, we would like to launch some short but impressive commercials. Using the slice of life method, the audience should feel relevant about such situations and thus ask for our products. Considering the high cost of advertising on TV, we may turn to social media like YouTube, Facebook, and local radio stations as our communication platform, where we can be more focused on our targeted audiences and raise the local awareness. As for public relations, we would like to cooperate with some local communities to organize some emergency evacuation practices. As the Australian Red Cross suggests, emergency go bags are important when fire or flood occurs. Therefore, we should be able to emphasize the importance of our product. Meanwhile, by being the sponsor of such events, we can build our brand name into their minds and thus be one step further than our competitors. Such public relation events can also be combined with sales promotions. For example, we could provide a 20% off if customers purchase our product on the event immediately. And this leads to our next topic, place. Considering the high rental cost, we decide to put our main place online. So in this case, we need to build a good relationship with a logistic company like DHL to ensure our products can be delivered to our customers quickly and safely. Also, we will design our website in a consumer-friendly way. No, not like this, but more like this. We believe that with a simple and clean interface, customers will be more likely to view our website. However, we will also go offline occasionally, as the public relation events we mentioned before. That's all, we're Savior, your document and time saver when emergency occurs.